all, today I'm back with another beautiful thought of the day, and I'm showing how to present a thought of the day in the school assembly. So let's start. Good morning respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present you a thought of the day. Today's thought is, wherever you go, whatever you do, be in love. I repeat my thought. Wherever you go, whatever you do, be in love. By Emerson. This thought means, wherever you be and whatever you are doing, be a good, loving and lovable person. Thank you. Did anybody observe that today's thought is on my t-shirt? I hope you like my thought of the day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good day.